Oranges are a versatile and delicious fruit that can be used in a variety of recipes. From sweet to savory dishes, oranges add a burst of freshness and tangy flavor. Here are some popular recipes that make great use of this citrus fruit. 1. Orange chicken. This is a classic Chinese dish where chicken is coated in a tangy orange sauce. The combination of the citrusy sauce with tender chicken creates a delightful and flavorful meal. 2. Orange salad, a refreshing salad made with fresh orange segments, mixed greens, and other complementary ingredients like feta cheese, red onions, and walnuts. It's light, vibrant, and perfect for summer. 3. Orange marmalade. Marmalade is a sweet spread made from oranges that have been boiled until tender and then combined with sugar to create a thick jam-like consistency. It's great on toast or used as an ingredient in various desserts. 4. Orange smoothie. Blend fresh orange juice with yogurt, honey, and ice for a refreshing morning smoothie packed with vitamin C goodness. 5. Orange glazed salmon. A savory dish where salmon fillets are coated in an orange glaze made from orange juice, soy sauce, honey, garlic, and ginger. The result is a perfectly balanced blend of sweet and savory flavors. Origins in Southeast Asia. Oranges are believed to have originated in Southeast Asia, specifically in regions that now encompass India, Malaysia, and China. They have a long history, with records of cultivation dating back thousands of years. Sweet and sour varieties. There are two primary types of oranges, sweet and sour. Sweet oranges, which are most commonly consumed, include varieties like Navel, Valencia, and blood oranges. Sour oranges, like Seville oranges, are often used in cooking and for making marmalade. Vitamin C powerhouse. Oranges are famous for their high vitamin C content. One medium-sized orange can provide over 100% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C. This essential nutrient is crucial for immune function, collagen production, and overall health. The color orange. The color orange is named after the fruit, not the other way around. The word orange itself comes from the Old French word orange, which comes from the Arabic word naranj, which in turn comes from the Sanskrit word nraga, meaning orange tree. Oranges float. Oranges have a unique property, they can float on water. This is due to the air pockets within their peel. In fact, the peel of an orange can make up to a quarter of its total weight. This adaptation is thought to help protect the fruit while it's on the tree.